Great Hall.
The trousers are falling down.
Heading into the Great Hall, guys, the National Railway Museum. I'm here with Connor, UK Trains. And he's behind me, all trains and football vlogs. Anyway. So anyway, we're about to go in the Great Hall, guys, so we'll see you in the Great Hall. Let's go inside.
I'm ready to see.
Here's the Eurostar. This is the train that goes into the Eurotunnel. Yeah, it's nice. I like this train. It's a lot. 3308 Eurostar. Really nice. So we move on to the Bullet. One of the fastest trains in the world this is. Japanese from Japan. So let's go inside the Bullet. Why don't we? Into the Bullet.
The Bullet.
The Japanese train. Here we are. Oh, hard sit down. Oh, I think we'll sit down. Not sat down for a while.
Why does it smell of old people?
What? It's been on for years, that video, hasn't it?
Yeah. Been since I was very young.
Yeah.
I've known it well before.
The Bullet. The National Railway Museum, really nice. Decent. Going to the KF7. Made in 1935, I believe. And here's the cab. Pretty nice. Obviously, there goes the pole down there. Yeah. Evening Star. Yeah, this is probably the best part of the National Railway Museum. And in the turntable is the Intercity 125 power car, the HST Intercity 125 power car. This is really nice. Obviously, this was, I think, one of the ones that was going around the UK, I think, on the East Coast Main Line. Yeah, really nice, the Intercity 125 power car. Let's just go to the front of the power car. Yeah, there it is. That is really nice. This is the first time I've ever seen this in the National Railway Museum. It's really nice. And here is the rocket built by George Stephenson, I think. Yeah. And yeah, pretty much it, yeah. Underneath this train, you could go underneath this train. It's really good, actually. Oh shit! I didn't watch that step. You could go underneath this train. It's kind of cool, to be honest. I forgot what this train was called. I couldn't really remember. Yeah, this is. I like how you can just go underneath the train and look at like the parts at the bottom. I actually pretty like that. But anyway, yeah, it's really good. Okay. Underneath. The Mallard, this is really nice. This is one of the best trains in the National Railway Museum. Really nice, the Mallard. Really nice. And over here we've got some 37s over here, and you've got a simulator there, a Mallard simulator. And yeah, anyway. Mallard. The North Shed, leaving the Great Hall, guys. And the Flying Scotsman is not here, what is sad.
Again.
The Flying Scotsman story, train, the route, the engine. Yeah, you've got loads of good stuff like train models down here. Pretty good. Over here you've got the Flying Scotsman plates. Oh, Intercity, Class 91 power car there, and you got the Intercity 125 HST car. That's really good, that. Wow.
Mallard back when it was green.
Was that the Mallard? I didn't know the Mallard was green.
Yeah, back in the day.
Was it? Yeah, these are really nice models, especially that Intercity Class 91 there. And here, obviously over here, we have the Flying Scotsman nameplates. Obviously the Flying Scotsman's not here, sadly, what is pretty bad. Obviously last time when we came here, the Flying Scotsman was out here, so we won't be able to see it this time, what is sad. Oh, and over here, you have... What? 170. We have Henry here. I don't even know what this is called. I don't know every steam train, guys, just to clear. And here's the cab. Yeah, these are brakes here. Got a... We've got a model over here. Does it work? Is it working? I haven't seen it. Hasn't really worked. Oh, it is working. There you go. Yeah. Stopped at the signal. Off it goes into the tunnel. Alright, okay, let's just go over to the works, see how Sir Nigel Gresley's doing.
Is it working then?
We are in the works, guys, of the National Railway Museum. You have some 37s over there. And here, they're rebuilding Sir Nigel Gresley. And they're cracking on with it, like. We were last here in August, there was hardly...
When we last came, we had none of this.
Yeah, they had none of this when we last
What
came. And now, look at it now. Jesus. They're cracking on with that. Yeah, Sir Nigel Gresley
Yeah, I'm wearing these.
being built at the works here in the National Railway Museum.
You and some big more tomorrow.
Look at this view from the National Railway Museum. This is a great view. This is probably one of the best views of the National Railway Museum. Obviously, the bridge over there is probably one of them. Yeah, it's a great view. You see the Eurostar over there, the Bullet over there, the Mallard there. Yeah, we've got all sorts here. And over there, I don't know if you can see it, the Intercity 125 HST power car. Yeah. But anyway, now I think we're going to head to the second hall. I forgot what it was called, but let's go. Let's go. Bye. We've got some models here.
Well,
We've
I've got them
got
HSTs. And the
HST only are. Power cars there, sadly they're gone now.
Yeah, not the with East Midlands.
Oh, well, whatever. And that is a 67, class 67 there. And we've got, I think that's the old Maritime livery, I think. Yeah, the old Maritime livery. We've got the Mallard and we've got, yeah, you've got all sorts here. And yeah, loads of models, locomotive models. That's nice. Second shed, guys. I don't know what the shed is called. You got, don't really know what that's called, but you can have pictures in front of the train, it looks like. Or you see over here, you have like a picture of what I think, what used to be, what it was like in here. Yeah. That's what I think what it used to be like in here. What is kind of insane, and now you just have trains in here now. What is kind of insane, to be honest. Yeah. But anyway, I think we're going outside where the playground is. Oh, I don't know if they have the playground anymore, do they? Anyway, let's go. The depot here, the National Railway Museum. It's just like a little shed of like not that many trains in here. You got a D2860 there, what is pretty nice. Prince William. What class is that, Connor? 47? Yeah. Diesel. Says Yorkshire at the top, like that. Here's a track. I think this is where the Flying Scotsman normally goes to. 47. It says Prince William on the side. Pretty nice, that. Prince William. And yeah. It's quite... And this, I do not know what this is. intercity something, I don't know. And yeah, anyway, depot, little shed, the National Railway Museum. Only 798. That is it, guys. That is this year's National Railway Museum vlog. I don't know when we're going to come back here. Could be about August, something like that. But yeah, it's good to come back here at the National Railway Museum. Yeah, it's a good place to go. It's for free. Yeah, it's good. It's a good place to go for free, and you should come here because it's a good place to go. It's a good day out. And if you're bored in York, you should come here. So anyway, guys, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and bye.